Alright, so we're going to express this repeating decimal as a fraction lowest terms. We already said we know what the answer is. So we're just going to have to try to figure out, though, how to find it because we don't always know the answer to them. So tell me about this. What place is that?
1.
It's one decimal place, which is the tenths place. And what about this one? That's the hundredths place. And what about this one? And what about this one? 10 thousandths. So what you're telling me here then, because of that, is I can take, this is equal to 3 over 10 plus 3 over 100 plus 3 over 1,000 plus 3 over 10,000. Okay, and we can keep going because it repeats, right? Now, let's find the sum of it. Because all of those added together, you told me, was equal to the 0.3 repeated. So let's find the sum of it. So it's infinite, so we're going to use the formula of a sub 1 over 1 minus r. So tell me, what is my first term? 3 over 10. What is my r? How do you find r? 100 divided by 10. No. 3 over 100. Take your second term. Divide it by the first term. Good. So what can we do there?
Cancel out to 0.
Well, first, let's just do keep it, change it, flip it. We haven't done that in a while, but it's just one fraction over a fraction. So we got what? 3 over 100 times, flip it, 10 over 3, right? Which is what? 30 over 300. Remember the shortcut when you have zeros at the end? They cancel each other, so same as 3 over 10. I'm sorry, 3 over 30, excuse me. Which is equal to 1 over 10. So, but remember, in order to find the sum of an infinite geometric series, if it's infinite, is that r value has to be between -1 and +1. Is it? Yes, 1/10 is between 0 and 1. So that means I can find my sum. So I'm going to take my first term, which you said was 3/10, over 1 minus r, which we just said was 1/10.
Yep.
Well, what is 1 as a decimal? I mean, as a fraction?
10
1 over 1, or if I want it with a 10, it would be 10 over 10, right? So I got 3/10 over 10 over 10 minus 1 over 10, which is 9/10. And what are we going to do there? Okay, you want to do keep it, change it, flip it, or you can multiply by the denominator, whichever. So 3/10 times 10/9. Multiply straight across. So 30 over 90. Zeros cancel, so 3/9, which reduces to the 1/3 that we knew it was equal to, but now we know why.